Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check if this faster recognition really works. So we are going to make 5 tries with normal and then with faster recognition. We are going to count time with stopwatch and we are going to see what is going to happen. So at the first I'm going to turn off this faster recognition. Then I'm going to lock device and the first unlock will be to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, it just recognized my face, so I'm sitting in a good position. Let's put it like that. It will be more comfortable for me. Let's try another time. Okay. And if I grab it like that. Yeah, okay, so let's start. Let's make 5 tries. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4, and the last one. Okay, so as you can see, we are around 10 seconds, almost 11 seconds. So right now, let's turn on faster recognition. Just go back and then just do it another time. Remember that we are around 11 seconds. So let's reset and let's make the first try to check. Okay, I'm going 1, 2, and 3. 3, 4, and the last one. So as you can see, there we got straight 8 seconds, so we are almost 3 seconds ahead with this faster recognition, and definitely it works. So it improves the recognition of our face. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.